Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Mantis Gamepad Pro. Okay, so once you're in Mantis Gamepad Pro, make sure that your gamepad is actually connected to your Android device and make sure it's set up. Okay, and then go into the Mantis Pro app. Okay, and then tap up top to tap to start. Okay, just make sure you're on here. All right, but then you want to go to your settings. Okay, so make sure you go to your Android settings here. Okay, we're gonna type in settings to your, you go all the way to the bottom to developer options. Okay, if you don't have developer options, check out my video how to enable developer options. Okay, and then go back to developer options, and then you're gonna scroll down till you see USB debugging. Make sure USB debugging is on. Okay, you're gonna enable that, and then after that, go to wireless debugging and make sure that's turned on. Okay, and then you're gonna go to wireless debugging. Okay, and then you're gonna stay on this screen. Um, and then you're gonna want to go back to Mantis Pro. Okay, and then you're gonna scroll down to the bottom where you're gonna click there and go to start pairing. Okay, and then it's gonna start pairing now, and then you're gonna go back to your developer options and you're gonna go to wireless debugging. And then once you go to wireless debugging, go to pair device with pairing code. Okay, and then once you do that, go back to Mantis Pro. The notification should pop up at the top here. Okay, and then hit the down arrow on a notification and then type in the code that you have here. Okay, if some reason the code doesn't show up, it's in your notifications. Android be weird. Android be weird, dog. So make sure you hit that notification. Okay, and now it's currently connected. The Mantis Pro is connected. All my information is exposed. All right, it's connected now. And as you can see, the gamepad controller is connected. The best controller, the X5 Lite, is on here for the Z Fold 7. All right, and everything is connected. And it should be working now. I'm just going to go on Call of Duty because I love to test Call of Duty, as you Aqua gamers already know. Aqua techies already know. Bam. You know, wait, sorry. Bam. Oh, there we go, the cursor. And once you see the cursor, it's set up. It's good. Okay. All right. Well, let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions, hit me in the next video. Peace.